ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतभिसीदसादनं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजनीवती दीनामभित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवाहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः यात इषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमडया या ते रुद्र शिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिजाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्षस्तवे शिवां गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशा चावधामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगत यक्ष्मगं सुमना असत अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषक अहेग्यश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन्त् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असो यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्र अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेरयीमहे असो यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतेनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतेनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयतिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीरुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्मीयोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्यदनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशुधे शुधे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्जं धनु कपर्दिनोऽभिशल्यो बाणवागम् उत अनेशन्नस्येष व आभुरस्य निशङ्गतिः या ते हे धर्मे दुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तो विश्वतः अतो य इषुदिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्ने रुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशां च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्लुषाय विद्याधीने नान्नां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्ये जगत्तां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय ततादिने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृतायौषधीनां पतये नमो नमः उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय नव्यादिन आव्यादिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्जते परिवञ्जते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रीकाव्यभ्यो जिगागं सत्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमो सीमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरभ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः उष्णीषिने गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतितधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयश्चद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो स्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यश्च यानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्तिष्ठद्भ्यो दावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमः आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगंहतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो घृत्सेभ्यो घृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रत्तपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्तर्भ्यः संग्रहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृभ्यो धन्वकृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यः श्वनीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यः श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शरवाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मीरुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो रसवाय च वामनाय च नमो प्रहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे च जिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शेव्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः श्रोतस्याय च द्वेद्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पगर्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च भूत्नीयाय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्षाय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय च शुरताय च नमः शूराय च वबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिने च वरुतिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषु धीमते च नमः तीक्ष्णीषवे च युधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः काट्याय च नेप्याय च नमः सूध्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाध्याय च वेशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वर्षाय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्रियाय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमः स्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमः स्थित्याय च खूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोतरणाय च नमः आतर्याय च लाद्याय च नमः षष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकट्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः इरण्याय च प्रपत्याय च नमः किगंशिलाय च क्षयनाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो कोष्ठाय च कृत्याय च नमः स्तल्प्याय च गेग्याय च नमः कात्याय च गवरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागं सव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः उर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशत्याय च नमो पगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वक्किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिणकेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिन्वट्केभ्यो नमः आनिरहतेभ्यो नमः आमिवट्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणाम् येषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममता या ते रुद्र शिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो बृरजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिं यथा न शमशद्विपते चतुष्पते विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन् नातुरं मृडा नो रुद्रोत नो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चं च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्यम तव रुद्र प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुत्तमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुत्तमान उक्षितं मानो वदी पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानो रुद्रभामितो वदिरः विष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्य गोग्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुं नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देवा ब्रूयदा च न शर्मा यच्चत् द्विबरः ष्टुहि श्रुतं गर्सदं युवानं मृगान् अभीममुपहत्नुमुग्रं मृडा चरित्रे रुद्रास्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणक्तु परितेशस्य धुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरामगवद्भयस्तनुष्वमीध्वस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडया मीरुष्टमशिवतमा शिवो न सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निधाय कृतं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरित विलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवो स्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुकाकृति सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्यां तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महन्त्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठाः शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानाम् अधिपतयो विशिकास कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिपतो जनानां ये पथां पतिरक्षय एलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रिकावन्तो निषङ्गिनः य एतवन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्याम्येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीदश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीदशोदीचीदशो द्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यं द्विष्वयश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमोऽस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्यो मर्त्यया हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवायजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनान्त्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टु हि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वक्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो भीर्देवमसुरं दुवस्य अयमे हस्तो भगवान् अयमे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगं शिवाभिमर्शनः ओम शांति 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 शं च मे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वशश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे दर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सुश्च मे प्रसुश्च मे शिरं च मे लयश्च मरुत्तं च मे अमृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांति।
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शोभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शोभानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शोभानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
बुद्ध महावीर येशु साई बुद्ध महावीर येशु साई बुद्ध महावीर येशु साई बुद्ध महावीर येशु साई वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा
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 तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
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 साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा
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 तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
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 मुझे शांति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे शांति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे भक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा
साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा
साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा
साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
मुझे शांति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा
मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा साई नारायण नारायण साई नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण गाणलोल प्रभु नारायण गाणलोल प्रभु नारायण दीनपाल जय नारायण प्रभु दीनपाल जय नारायण साई नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण गाणलोल प्रभु नारायण दीनपाल जय नारायण प्रभु दीनपाल जय नारायण साई नारायण नारायण
सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ब्रह्म ज्ञानं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ब्रह्म ज्ञानं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्द विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज्ज तु यहोवा शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय आत्मलिङ्ग शिव तू, आत्मलिङ्ग शिव तू। असतो मा सद्गमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
I offer my most loving and humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Loving Sai Ram's dear embodiments of love, I trust that you are all well and safe. On behalf of Chatsworth Region 2, I want to extend a very warm welcome to you on this glorious last Sunday morning of May. Thank you for joining our online devotional program this morning. Dear brothers and sisters, our Go Green infographic for this week is from Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 25, Chapter 37. Swami says, and I quote, "Unfortunately today, as a consequence of scientific and technological progress, humaneness has declined and man considers the world as only intended for his enjoyment. As a result, the powers of nature are being used in a manner which poses a great threat to the world." I end the quote. Dear devotees, we will now have Sister Rani sharing her experience on the 108 names of Sai.
With love and gratitude, I offer my most humble and loving pranams at the divine lotus feet of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, respected elders, brothers and sisters, and loving children. Om Shri Sai Ram. I have chosen gem number 9, which is Om Shri Sai Sarvajnaya Namaha, meaning, I bow to thee, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, who is omniscient. This is a very difficult topic for me, but felt the need to share my story, especially now during this pandemic when so many people have lost their near, dear, and loved ones. I do hope this would help those listening in, as it has helped me to realize that Swami never leaves us. When we are at our darkest and lowest point, he certainly lifts us, holds us in his divine hands, and takes us across the ocean of life. The unseen hand of God carries us without us even knowing or thinking about him during our times of sorrow. It was 2011 when our dear Lord Sai decided to leave his physical body. And exactly 7 months later, on the 24th of November, my family and I had to face the worst day of our lives on receiving the devastating and tragic news of the sudden passing away of our dearest, sweetest, and most loving daughter, Melanie, at the age of 29 years. A truly divine, highly evolved old soul was she, who had a wealth of spiritual knowledge to share. We were plunged in deep sorrow, total darkness. Our days and nights were filled with pain and grief. It was as though someone had dug a huge hole and buried us in. The world had closed its doors on me. My heart was ripped apart. My days were gripped by fear and loneliness. In December 2010, little did I know that this would be my baby's last Christmas, which she decided to spend at Parthi. went alone to be part of the Christmas choir. She had met a German devotee named Nina, who lived in Parthi. She became her friend. In July 2011, I accompanied Mel to Parthi for the youth conference, and on that trip, she purchased of the many books, this one that stood out, Cutting the Ties That Bind by Phyllis Crystal. Only our omniscient Lord Sai knew the reason why this was so. I have not read this book, but when this tragedy struck, I felt the need to go to Parthi. 5 months later, for whatever reason, I don't know, but knew that that is where I needed to be. It was in April 2012, Swami's 1-year Samadhi, we arranged to go to Parthi and also to conduct a prayer there for my child, as it was 5 months for her. I carried this book along and read it on the plane, just a few pages of it. It was about connecting to the higher consciousness and about the figure 8 exercise. I had no idea what this figure 8 was all about. When we met with Melanie's friend Nina, I was surprised when she mentioned to me that Isaac Tigrit, who was a friend of theirs, she had spoken to a few days earlier. When she mentioned about us, he told her that I needed to do the figure 8 exercise as he was picking up immense grief coming from me. Nina arranged for us to meet Isaac, who so lovingly accommodated us, and he gave us a talk about Phyllis Crystal's work and shared his own experiences with us, and that we needed to let go. He brought out material objects that Swami created for him, for us to hold to ease our pain. On the Monday, Nina took us to Isaac's room, where a priest would conduct a puja. We felt so grateful to be part of this prayer. We were grateful to Swami for allowing us to attend. The energy was so beautiful in that room. Because the prayer that we had arranged for my child that was done outside the mandir at the Shiv temple was much to our disappointment. Our omniscient Lord Sai knew exactly what we needed in his timing, as he does for all of us. We were due to fly out on that Saturday back home. The Thursday night, Nina called us to ask if we would like to attend the puja on Friday morning at the same place. We were happy to attend, and I felt at least I could go back home with some fulfillment just by attending the puja. But I had this one desire in my heart, to place Mel's photograph at the altar. As we were seated in the prayer room, I plucked up the courage to ask Isaac Tigrit if he would please keep Melanie's photo at the altar, which he so lovingly agreed to. There is a huge Shivalingam with the Ganges flowing from the top, and I was so pleased to see that he placed it next to the lingam where the water was trickling down onto her photo. To my surprise, before the commencement of the prayer, Isaac Tigrit walked up to me and asked me if I would like to do the offering of the petals as the prayer was being conducted. With mixed feelings, I agreed. Isaac said to me, "I want you to think of your daughter all the time whilst offering the petals," which I did. As I sat in front with the priest conducting the prayer, I had feelings of sadness, knowing that I am sitting there doing a prayer for my child, and feelings of gratitude to know that the prayer was being done for her in Swami's divine abode. As the prayer was being conducted, I thought that I would feel at my worst end, but I felt just the total opposite. I felt a sense of deep peace and tranquility enveloping my entire body. It was a feeling of sheer bliss, a feeling that I cannot explain, a feeling that I've never felt before and never felt thereafter. And it was just during the prayer. After the prayer was over, Isaac Tigert went up to my husband and son and said that he had asked me to think of Melanie and bring her into the room all the time, to think of her so that he could do the cutting of the ties. And in order for him to release her into the light. He also gifted us with this beautiful Ganesha from the altar. Isaac Tigert worked closely with Mrs. Crystal. In 2013, I attended a workshop in Bangalore by Mrs. Crystal, who was 99 years old then. When I mentioned that Isaac had done the ties for Melanie and whether I still needed to do, she told me that she was getting a message from her higher self that I should not. She was so compassionate and loving and caring, as she had also lost her daughter. And she agreed to help me with a crossover. She actually offered me that help. I am so grateful to Swami for bringing me to the place where I am today and gifting me with this beautiful soul whom he entrusted upon me for 29 years. And to all the beautiful souls that have helped me through my painful journey. Jai Sai Ram.
Apart from taking the devotees to Chitravati, he would also take them for picnics, many picnics. And they used to be called as Vana Bhojanam. Vana means forest, Bhojanam means food, food in the forest. Picnic means, again, fun. Different ways of doing the same fun. You know, Swami gives variety. Just like Swami says, it's the same sugar, but you have jalebi, Mysore pak, jamun, laddu, different sweets. So that you get different flavors. The same sugar you eat in different forms. So the same sweetness of Bhagwan, the devotees would experience in different forms. In Patamandiram, on Chitravati, during picnics. And the same things, the Leelas, the Mahimas. In fact, Miss Leela, her name is also Leela. She is the daughter of Lokanatha Mudaliyar, whom we will hear about again and again. He is associated with the Gindi temple, Shirdi Baba temple. He was one of the earliest devotees who came to Bhagwan. So Miss Leela records that once when they had gone for a picnic like this, it began to rain and pour. There are many occasions when Bhagwan has willed the clouds away. So this time what Bhagwan did is he pointed out to one area where there was a rock jutting out from the hillock. Swami said, let's take shelter under that. But as more and more people started coming, that rock was not jutting out sufficiently. And therefore, Swami just raised his hand and pulled the rock. Pulled it as if it was some extendable roof, you know. And pulled it till how much ever the devotees needed to be sheltered.
Gopala Bala Sai, Gokula Leela Sai, Gopala Bala Sai, Gokula Leela Sai.
P.V. Krishnamurti. I'm mentioning his name because P.V. Krishnamurti was one of the relatives of Karnam Subbamma. He and his brother-in-law, his name is D.N. Krishnamurti. These two are the people who built the Naga shrine you see opposite the Ganesh Mandir today. Swami would take a small lamp and come walking all the way to Subbamma's house just to see them and see if all of them are settled. So P.V. Krishnamurti's mother, she had prepared the food. There was some sambar rice and curd rice. So she made all the children and grandchildren sit around and she was putting a morsel of food in each one of their hands. Right? This is a very common sight in some of our Indian families. So there was this family dinner going on and Swami would come and Swami would see this sight. It's all dark. So Swami would put off the lamp and sneak into that crowd, into that small group, and he would put his hand and he would eat. And suddenly the mother would hear, today food is very nice, in a different voice, and when she looks up, it will be Swami who will be laughing. Or sometimes when she is giving food, somebody will hold the mother's hand tightly and she'll wonder who's this boy who's doing like this, and then Swami would laugh out aloud. Or sometimes when people are cooking food, dinner, Swami would sneak behind and close their eyes from behind. Many of these little things which are very common in families, but Swami did not merely say Chuttalu because he was behaving like that. These were the people who belonged to Swami. And after this, after they complete their dinner in this manner, it was time to sleep. In the Patha Mandiram, the beautiful thing was Swami was everything. So when everybody would go to bed, Swami would take a torch and he would go around. Why? To see if there are any snakes and scorpions, because they used to live with the snakes and scorpions around. So Swami would go around to ensure that none of these creatures are coming close by. And that was another miracle which the devotees had noticed, that there were so many of these creatures around, but not once a devotee had a complaint of, I had a snake bite, I had a scorpion bite. Later years means 47, 48, when they would have these big festivals like Dashera and birthday, so many hundreds of devotees would come, and Swami would be so bubbling with energy and running all around the place, doing all the things. But the day after the birthday or the day after the festival, Swami would go and lock himself up and would not come out the entire day. People will feel that this is a very cold treatment to give. Generally, you should come out and send off all the guests who come, right? But they didn't realize that Swami was sitting in the room and feeling bad that all are leaving. Why was Swami doing this? There's a beautiful incident where Swami explained this. Apparently, much later in the 70s, when Swami's students came and Swami's Brindavan College was set up, the students would come, they would participate in the festivals in Puttaparthi, and when they would return on their way back, as it happens even now, they all would loudly shout, Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Sathya Sai Baba Ji Ki Jai. And Swami would be seated in his room or in the interview room, and around Swami would be elders like Kutum Rao and Professor Kasturi. And Swami would start becoming very melancholic. Swami would say, my students are all leaving, my students are leaving. So the elders around would console Swami. Swami, it's okay, Anyway, you're going to Brindavan next week or next month they're coming here. Why do you have to feel bad? And this would happen every time. At one point, Professor Kasturi was saying that they said, Swami, what is this drama? You're anyway beyond all this. Why are you doing all this? Then Swami said, you don't understand the real reason for my pain. And Swami said, see, these boys, as long as they are here, as long as they are with Swami, Swami is the center of their life. All their thoughts are centered around Swami. Whatever they do, they're dedicated to Swami. Every moment of the day, they're only thinking about Swami. Now when they leave, they will forget Swami, and that is not good for them. And I am feeling for that.
We are blessed, we are blessed, we are blessed. Sai Baba is watching over us. We are blessed, we are blessed, we are blessed. Sai Baba is watching over us. We are here to sing your sweet name. We are here to sing your sweet name.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय। इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।